How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, we are going to show you on how you can fix the stream element alerts not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to overlays, and from here, since I haven't created an overlay, I'll just click on the create a new overlay button, and basically I'm going to make my overlay 1080p to ensure that it have a best or better quality. From here, let's then proceed by clicking on add widgets, and then I'm going to add a simple alert box. I'm going to place it on the middle of this alert right here. And then to make things easier, of course, you can adjust this the way you want to. But the most important thing on this part is to click the copy overlay button, but you also have to make sure that everything is working perfectly. So just click on the preview button, and then you can name this the way you want to. Click on the open new tab, and basically from here you will be able to preview your overlay, which is going to look something like this. So this is where we have to copy the URL. You can also go ahead and see that right here. After copying the URL, head back to something like OBS or your recording tool or your streaming tool, and then click plus, click browser, and then once again, let's name this something like alert. Click OK, and then you want to make sure that you have pasted the right URL button. So you can also edit out some custom CSS if you want to, some width, height, and more. Click on OK, and you should be good to go. Your alerts should pop up right here, and then just make sure that it is not hidden on your streaming platform or tool. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.